Hello everyone, this is David and I'm so happy to meet you here. Today I'm going to unbox the INGCO 20-watt lithium grass trimmer to all of you. I think all my dear friends should be very familiar with the grass trimmer, right? Of course, it is mainly used for grass trimming. So what exactly does the INGCO 20-watt lithium grass trimmer contain? And what about the quality and its grass trimming effect? Now, let's figure it out in today's video. Okay, in front of me is the INGCO 20-watt lithium grass trimmer. After you purchase it, you will get the same one as it is. And as you can see, it comes with different languages printed here and also with the color box. Now, let's see what's in this color box together. Okay, we now open it. Yes, this is the machine. Here, need to mention that this item belongs 20-watt platform products, but not battery and charger include. So if you want to use this machine, you should buy the battery and charger separately. Now you can see these are all the parts of the grass trimmer. This is the machine body, and this is the handle. There is also an anti-closing ring inside. This is the protective guard. And also, we have a product manual inside. It can give us the instruction and provide some data and parameters of the grass trimmer. Okay, now let's install this INGCO 20-watt lithium grass trimmer. Okay, first we start on by installing this protective guard. And we can see this guard is big enough to cover and ensure the safety during work. So next, let's install it. Okay, here there are 3 holes, and we use the INGCO screwdriver to install this protective guard. Very easy. You see here, now it's finished. I already installed this protective guard on the grass trimmer. And the next part, I want to introduce this straw roll. And you can see, after you get the product, you already have the installed straw roll. But let us see how it does work. I take off this cover, and you can see the straw rolled inside. So how to install this part? Also very easy. You can just put this straw roll through this opening hole, yes, and then install it. It's finished. Very easy, right? And here need to mention that our straw rope is a 5 meter long with a very high quality. Also, using this spiral wire, the noise will be lower than the ordinary round wire. Next, we have an anti-closing ring, which is not available for many other products. It is used to avoid plants and flowers from being harmed once they get in your way. Now, let's put on it. Also very simple. See here. Okay, finished. All right, let's install the handle. This handle is also very easy to install. Just align it here and tighten the screw. It should be noted here that the handle can be also adjusted based on your using habits. Adjust it to the angle you need and tighten the lid, it's okay. And finally, it's time to put the battery on the machine. As I introduced before, this grass trimmer is one of the models of INGCO P20's platform products. Right now, INGCO 20-volt lithium battery platform has more than 150 different kinds of products. All these products can share with the same battery and charger. Sounds awesome, right? Well, now, INGCO P20's platform currently has two main battery packs, 2 ampere and 4 ampere. Under the experiment before, when fully charged, a 2 ampere battery pack can usually be used around 20 minutes for this grass trimmer, and a 4 ampere battery can be used for around 40 minutes. But of course, it is based on the working situation and how many square meters you want to cut the grass. And usually, it takes around 1 hour for the 2 ampere battery to be charged full. And also, for this 4 ampere battery, it usually takes around 2 hours to charge it full. And here, I take this 2 ampere for an example. Here you can see there are 3 green bars. When these 3 green bars all shows, that means the battery is full. So we can charge the battery pack in time according to this power display. Now, let's install this battery on the machine. Okay, our INGCO 20-volt lithium battery grass trimmer already installed, and I guess you would be curious about other features and the actual performance of this trimmer. Okay, let's go to test it. Let's go.